Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the topic linked hash set, right? So we had successfully discussed on linked hash map as well as the linked hash set. So today we'll be discussing on the topic tree map actually. Let's see what the definition part say here. Tree map is a map implementation. So it is also one of the map implementations in Java that stores key value pairs in the sorted order of keys, right? So this is very important. Again, let me stress this one. So TreeMap is a map implementation in Java that stores key value pairs in sorted order of the keys using a what it uses red black tree using a red black tree. So this is very important. Just remember this. The next one is TreeMap automatically keep keys sorted. Just remember this. TreeMap automatically keeps keys sorted, ascending by default actually. It does not allow duplicate keys, but allows duplicate values. It allows TreeMap. What does it allow actually? It allows duplicate values, no doubt, but it does not allow duplicate keys. Just remember this. Operations like put, get, and remove work in logarithmic time. So this is one of the important things. Yep. So yep, operations like put, get, and remove work in logarithmic time. Yep. So the main difference is here it stores the key value pairs in the sorted order of the keys, no doubt. But it uses the red black tree. Just remember this. It uses red black tree for that. Yep. Tree map automatically keeps this one keys sorted. This is one of the thing. It does not allow duplicate keys, but allows duplicate values. Yeah. Next, operations like put, get, and remove work in logarithmic time. So let's try to understand the exact same thing with a very simple example. Yeah. So first I'll just go with here. Let me, sorry, not the implementation. Let me import what is happening here, man. Let me type this one again actually. Yeah. Let me import java.util. So let me go with a tree map, this one. Then let me go with public, sorry, not put, public class. So let me consider the same thing here, tree map demo actually. I'll just consider tree map demo. Let me go with the main method inside. Yep. So within the main method, first thing what we'll be doing here, let's create the tree map where key is integer and value is string. Again, just listen to this carefully. What we are doing, we will be creating the tree map where key is integer. Let's consider integer for now and value is string, right? Key will be integer and value will be string. So I'll just go with the syntax here, tree map. So key will be integer. So I'll just go with the integer here and value will be string actually. Yep, so this is fine. Next, let me go with a map here, variable name. Let me complete the syntax here. Right, so this is fine. Next, what we'll be doing here. So let's insert the key value pairs into the tree map. So I'll just go with map.put. So this is fine. So I'll just go with 3, comma, this one, apple here, right? So this is fine. Yep, what we are doing here, key we have set this one to the 3 and value we have set this one to the apple. Key we have set this one to the 3 and value we have set this one to the apple. Let's consider the same thing in the similar way actually. Uh, some more things in the similar way actually, sorry. Yep, so this is fine. Instead of the 3, let me go with 1 actually. Yeah, instead of the 3 again here, let me go with the 2. Rather than apple, let me go with banana. So this one, let me go with a mango or orange. Let me go with the mango itself. Yep, so this is fine. Yep, finally what I'll do, the final thing. So let's print the tree map actually. So I'll just go with system out println here. Yeah, system out println. Let me pass the map. Yep. So accordingly with the definition, tree map is a map implementation in Java that stores key value pairs in the sorted order. Yep. And sorted order of the keys, sorry, using red black tree, right? So it will be based on the sorted order of the keys. The output will be based on the sorted order of the keys. See here, so this will be 3, 1, 2. So first we have to get 1 banana. Second, we have to get 2 mango. Third, we have to get 3 apple. So this is the output that we need to get. So let me run this one. See here, 1 banana, 2 mango, 3 apple. So this is working correctly accordingly with the definition that we considered. Tree map is a map implementation in Java that stores key value pairs, no doubt, in sorted order of the keys using what? Using red black tree. Just remember this. See, we have, this is not sorted, right? So we have got the output in the sorted order accordingly with the definition. So whatever we have written works absolutely correct here. Whatever the code that we have written works absolutely correct. Now, this is it for the tree map. Let's discuss the real world applications of the tree map. See, uh, tree map is used in the leaderboard systems, right? So whatever the leaderboard it may be, yeah, it is used in the leaderboard system because scores has to be sorted automatically, right? Any leaderboard it may be. So whether if you are playing some random game, if you are giving some contest in the this one, what do we call, whatever platforms it is, right? Coding contest, whether it may be in the lead code, you should be seeing the leaderboard, right? So scores will be sorted automatically when we make use of the this one tree map actually. Yep. So this is also one of the advantage. Yep. So next, it will be used in the, or it is used in the banking systems actually. Banking systems, why and how? Actually, see, accounts has to be ordered by the account number basically. For that reason, we will be making use of the tree map in the banking system. So this is also one of the main real world applications. The third one, it is mainly used in the, as far as I knew this basically, it is used in the calendar or the scheduling apps, right? It is used in the calendar or scheduling apps actually. I just write here SCH, nothing but the scheduling apps, because events has to be sorted by time. Events has to be sorted by the time actually. So this is one of the real world applications of the tree map. The fourth one, it is used in the dictionary applications as well, right? It is used in the dictionary applications as well. Tree map is used in the dictionary applications because words has to be sorted alphabetically. You would have guessed this one. Yeah, words has to be sorted alphabetically. So it is used in the dictionary applications as well. Finally, it is used in the stock price tracking because prices should be ordered by the timestamp. So it is used in the stock price tracking actually. Yeah. So this is also one of the applications. So these are some of the applications, real world applications of the tree map, right? So let's come to the final point here. This one, complexities part actually. Yep. So what will be the time complexity here? So if we consider the put operation, it is big of logarithmic n. So we have already discussed that here. See, operations like put, get, and remove work in logarithmic time. So you can just see here, we have already discussed this one. Yeah. So uh, TreeMap provides put, get as well as the remove. So put we have already discussed. For the get, it is big of logarithmic n again. Get, it is big of logarithmic n again because tree traversal takes logarithmic n time. For the put also it is big of log n because red black tree height is logarithmic actually. Finally, let's consider for remove operation as well. For the remove operation as well, it is big of log n. It is big of log n, right? So because for the rebalancing after the deletion, it would take big of logarithmic n time. So the time complexity for the put, get as well as the remove this one operations is big of logarithmic n. Just remember this one. Yeah. So sorry. Big of logarithmic n. Yep. So what would be the overall space complexity here? The space complexity would lead to big of n. So why it is big of n here? The space complexity, one node is stored for each key value pair, right? So one node will be stored for each key value pair. So overall space complexity would lead to big of n here, right? So the time complexity of the put, get, and remove operations will lead to big of log n, and the space complexity would lead to big of n. Yep. So this is it for the tree map, right? So this is it for the tree map. And one more thing, tree map. So to make use of the tree map, or tree map is best to use when we need sorted keys with efficient log time operations. Just remember this one. So this is one of the important points. Let me stress this one again, or let me read this one again. Just listen to this carefully. Tree map is best when we need sorted keys with efficient log time operations. Yeah. So this is it for the tree map. Next, we'll be discussing on the topic tree set. Yeah. Next, we'll be discussing on the topic tree set. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.